no mantam no ahinkro sunyan emu aye de esanse omampanyini dada John Dramani Mahama enamfa nana adodanko akufu adonkrofo so enamfa ede ne koso ewo sunyan hospital kasia enei ye ne kolebu eni gi eba beyepe arawusam asi na arawusam asie no ama enamso ama mpanifo de afutu akọ ede ama Ghana manyofo efa wo musu ene wo mo eban ebin Roman fon kabamukuo wo mo asofo mpanifo the Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference wo mo de afutu akọ ede ama Ghana amanyofo se nyame anim ni sayamamo article 71 na mo hotomo a mo so mo moayen na sabe yakwan yensuo ne akwantempon eni babia ye beda ye ho entumi entoyen what is a cocoa board for aboka ba meka say wo mo ne bang fu a wo man Ghana wo ma ka bom ama ban na ebeyan garanta say buidam ho lad bela wo mutua ma Ghana fo nti ye kwaje bosia 800,000 Ghana cedis ye de kwa koma bosia e de ama cocoa board for Ghana ban e de hihye bi aba e de afa kwan a embabura wo mo ko university ene wo mo ko training college ne wo mo contract so school no wo mo benya nimdie e wo kwan e fa so yisu gas kwani kwanche for da sa adwumako na no e de afutu akọ e de ama Ghana fo nyina sa ban hihye no e beboan ye be ko amanane South Africa mansoafo hwe amansenso e de ato edwase awudisam akofom pa bese bosome miensani na nupo no nipa bese empim ensia achirepo ahenkono ene aduana enum 6,945 people and a woman first quarter South Africa krama kosoro mpone danyankopon ase sauda so etinkom na wo ma Ghana wutie eye kasebom afei kasebom medin the honorable Nana Poku PSA fa semche kasebom ni nchiemo ankasa enin ena Ghana yemampanyini His Excellency Nana Ado Dankwa Akufu Ado wone na soafo ene mpanifo a wo ewa abamu dodo na edi emfonyini ne niema ene na monten aya ne so mampanyini Nana Ado Dankwa Akufu Ado ebeba buno afo manta na henkro sonyan na obad na ni betre eye mantam no aya sabia kase a mantam yense ne nyina kom na wo ekwaje wo ayare samkire sunyan regional hospital na so amane ebo beko areye kase bonsa kirese amampanyini His Excellency Nana Ado Dankwa Akufu Ado wantumi ama na emom oyuni chacha ade hye soafo no na ohwe eye apomudi ensem so ye wura kwaku agima manua ono kura ya sanso ya mrahye bedwani di ma amfa wo mu ewo Doma Central ema nei odnani monyam eba sunyan aban aya asabia tete no ne afrɛ sunyan regional hospital and also ama enei Nana Ado Dankwa Akufu Ado editumi ama eye MP ono abokwaku agima manu se wone na soafo a wo mo eye asoafo eye paasonso fefro mo cabinet no wo ma dwene ho ama nei wo mo akobenkremu se Sunyan Regional Hospital no say wo mo kukuru ama nei anigi ene rage ene kolebu ayepe enti ene udu Sunyan Regional Hospital ho a ye friend Sunyan Teaching Hospital and also ama ene honorable kwaku agima manu ajina eye Nana Ado Dankwa Akufu Ado ne Ghana ban na mu ama amamre ne amane bi asefata ese won pagya eye hospital no mu na free regional hospital eco teaching hospital no wo mo atimi ayem and am so ama honorable kwaku agima manu say hospital bia na say hospital bi on be pagya ama na eco teaching hospital no esese wonya university a eno so abahe ne mata ho a won be kyerɛkyerɛ sɛ de apomodin mu nsamu enkanyini esi etie anenti Honorable Kwaku Agima no say University of Energy and Natural Resources etwenity aka no une eno na wo mo edebeye medical school a wo mo de babeboa Sunyan Teaching Hospital na aboa ama akwane abadie kakra bi ambulance wi wo gisegi no eto atumi atwa yentie Honorable Kwaku Agima no
Sunyan Teaching Hospital. Accordingly, I want to express our heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to the President for this landmark gesture. In February 2023, my cabinet, at its 45th meeting, approved the memorandum of the conversion of the Sunyani Regional Hospital into a teaching hospital. Since then, the Honorable Minister for Health and several stakeholders have tirelessly worked to make this a reality. At the commencement of my administration on the 7th of January 2017, we have steadfastly held the conviction that a nation's prosperity is intimately tied to the health of the citizenry. This has inspired and committed to work towards dismantling any obstacles to securing quality healthcare, making it universally accessible and affordable in harmony with the objectives of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 3, which is dedicated to ensuring the health and well-being of people of all ages. In pursuit of our health agenda, my administration has worked assiduously to enhance healthcare delivery at the primary and secondary levels, where significant infrastructure and human resources have been deployed, as evidenced by our ambitious Agenda 111 hospital projects. I am thrilled to inform you that all the hospital projects across the country are at various stages of completion, especially the ones at Brekum, Jinejine, and Doma Amasu. I have been reliably informed about the commendable progress of work by some contractors and the likelihood of having a number of the hospitals completed by the end of the year 2023. My government is also working assiduously to develop a 60-bed capacity infectious disease center at the Sunyani Teaching Hospital to bolster our public health capacity to deal with infectious disease outbreaks efficiently and ensure that Ghana is better prepared to respond to future epidemics. In addition to these, my government has also completed 19 health facilities in the Bruno region, a 60-bed hospital in the Tai district, the Benkasa Health Center in Brekum West District, 17 community-based health planning services we call CHIP compounds with staff accommodation. Moreover, we have ensured that the
Doma Central Amra Shebe Sanso Ayo Swafo Shapomudi and Samsum. Nanusi Ena Mantam no Eswafo Honorable Justina Usu Banahene. Wase Nedaya Sono Abem. Wase Empire no bo. Se Oswafo She Mantam so said Archibiano. Ye Peja Regional Hospital near Yen Teaching Hospital. Honorable Justina Usu Banahene say. Adeba kwa na obo hompa ye pa ne Nyankopon adaroma na na adodanko Akufo-Addo enam eye naban ene ne cabinet so amano abaso osi oyobatan etode bi na otena se na ohwe ambulance wi wo no sanso ehwe sebe said the yesima referrals Comfanochi Teaching Hospital na ne nsunumu eti enti ene ya yakukurumu amabere Teaching Hospital no dadwini na da dokotafo so ene nipa dodo a wo mo bunkan so ene wo ma eko ene wo mo eba no etuo etwa
akoma na eperere no ene nyamiado emu baako omampanyi na adodanko Akufo-Addo oni ya Minister for Health ene Ministry of Health ene mpanifo ka bia wo me MP sananom ene mpanifo nyina boa ama ene sabre ya bodwa e pa hontuma ene sanje esanse se wo yade ne ye de wo kọ ayansabia na adokotafo nurse for paramedics emu mpanifo nya obi biara ekeka no ho aboa ama apomode awie pera and one of the importance of a teaching hospital. Mijili say can be. Na nyina ya pray. Say nyamesha nyina ya bukina no mwaye. Na amampani amfa ne nsan hyase na aka ne beboa ama ya hospital yi. Abaye amrabu. Ti say na benwa. Indeed, this present gathering here constitutes and marks a unique and historic occasion. Purpose of which is for His Excellency the President of the Republic to formally inaugurate the Sunyani Teaching Hospital. Accordingly, I wish to warmly express our heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to His Excellency, the President of this Republic, Nana Adodanko Akufo-Addo, for this landmark gesture. Certainly, today should be mainly one of the joyous moments, crystallizing the wishes, hopes, and aspirations of the chiefs and people of the Bono region into reality and fulfillment.
Any awoti ye aya Bono mantam no for Honorable Justina Osu Banahene. Na titina ne friend regional hospital and they teaching hospital no. Dr. Penny or no any Dr. Penny or da a teaching hospital and Cecilia. Dr. Cardinal Newton. Or your medical director Edema Tete regional hospital and they friend teaching hospital Ewosunyan and also Yami money. Na niaji papa no bon abain or mine ene nananom abaso se nei ne penso ye kukuru a free regional hospital ama akọ teaching hospital.
Permit me to seize this opportunity to express the heartfelt gratitude of the management and entire staff of this hospital. First and foremost to His Excellency the President of the Republic, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. We are also grateful to Honorable Minister of Health, Honorable Regional Minister, and all those who, in one way or the other, have contributed and supported in the realization of this memorable day. We are grateful to you all. It was an unimaginable joy. On 4th July 2023, when we received the news about the cabinet intention to convert Bono Regional Hospital into a teaching hospital. This news was delivered to us at a stakeholders meeting held at Bono Regional Coordinating Council, Sunyani. Our joy was because of our understanding of an enormous benefit the region stands to derive from this conversion. Filled with joy, we set out to work towards the realization of this cabinet's good intentions. We had the mandate to strategically plan and ensure a smooth establishment of teaching hospital and medical school at the University of Energy and Natural Resources, that's UNEM. Admittedly, we worked and submitted comprehensive report to the Minister for approval. I am therefore excited that our efforts have contributed to and resulted in the inauguration we are holding today. The transition of teaching hospital signifies a profound shift in our approach to healthcare. It is not merely about imparting knowledge.
Any awoti ye medical director Sunyani Teaching Hospital Dr. Cardinal Newton and Ekogu Yenom. Sompa TV ko na obehu na obehwe na obetimi atede ekoso nyina. Ofan wo Sompa TV so a wo me won kransa so ebefa ewo 90.7 ewo enkransa NKZ. Afei 98.9 ewo Bono mantam no ahinkro sunyan zongo. Ena obeko Kumasi Asante mantam wo tekra wie ne brawie ngoma so a 93.1 Sompa Kumasi Kasieba no efri Sompa TV so ena epia gum. Afei yemfiri aban ene apomodin semo na yenwura eye oman emra hye begafie de enkotinsi Ghana amamu emwem. The Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference eye woma ayi wom ho si wose daachi bia wom na wom ebeye Kristo achitrifo titre ewo Roman asodun wom ewo kuo Omo kwanchefo pagini eye Most Reverend Matthew Kwasi Jamfisa National President. Wadi afutu akọ ade amagana fo titre ene Ghana manyofo se. Etoda bia Ghana manyofo mpanifo etimi de ade bi ye Ghana fo adwene ho aya na onte ase ene sen. Osie betimi ato aba ade ama ene pepe ni ato aba ade ama ene desi. Wani betie na yabo we se oye nadmo panyini. Anase oye Article 71 holder. Ene yabasa constitution ni behwem akatua bi ese fatamanon allowance bi ese fatamanon na wo mo ade amanon nanso sepani no eba no wo mo ade dwumade ema no na ya ni duties and responsibilities ya ene yokoka na asem a obeto nyampia kire wan kana asem na no na Most Reverend Matthew Kwasi Jamfri ade afutuo akọ ade ama amanyofo se saa de na eye amanyofo eye a wo mo adia esefata ye de ma wo mom na na de Ghana fo so epe yemfa ma wo ma no wo ma atena so ne 7 prebiasam adia ha dwem papa opani edi sansemi eto edwa brana Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference womu ehiem bosomi a ewomni da toso bese ensia the 23rd preliminary assembly ekoso ewo sunya ha sei most reverend Matthew Kwasi Jamfi asema waka nyina ene se adia ba ko ha ne pa ene se omanya yetimu proye ketasihye kankan dwirimudie enu achi aban we betena konwa so na se okukuru ade ebedisi ho a aban foforo bape alata moenwen wanye na ode foforo aba beto ebewi akire no na kire se we so ba me na meyame de nso na meyame de enu ana most reverend Matthew Kwasi Jamfi se saa niema na ekoso no enye emfampuntuo emma enu achi ose de broni eka ni intimidation ade ba ko a eya wo wiase pa ne sese ye mawo de opa ma de enkrofo so pe wo mo emfamam ose de ye ne yan sem article 71 holders of nya de ompa nyina sefata ensantrofo kroya na ye behwe se duties and responsibilities anase wasede se wo ye ne kokoyem ensantro ne bie na no na okoka pe bo se amanyofo wo be di chobo ye wo man ko studio na mo hia abantena wo betimi abowa se Yesu Kristo bo no chewa na chesa de na twero no wo Bible na de no aba 7 previous graphic som and it most Reverend Matthew Kwasi Jamfi say sasu ene ban a Ghana amanyofo ene pepe ene ene DC wo mo de ye Ghana fo no wo mo enyai na ebasa emfa anidie esefata ebuo ene atenka esefata no yemfa emma wo mom utie na ohwe ewo Sompa TV obefa ewo Sompa 98.9 FM ewo sunyan bono mantana hinkro ala be kwa na aborosa no so pe okokumasi asanti mantamuam wo mo so efa ewo Sompa TV ewo 93.1 na oko NKZ enkransan wo mo so efa ewo enkransan 90.7 ye to akase bo no esom ye ko emrahye bedwafie na emrahye bedwafie a ye konom Bosumi November ni de toso edu enso ena Ghana emrahye bedwafo etenase na wo mo etenase ye no emrahye bedwafo a wo mo ena ye parliamentary select committee and agric ena wo mo efro soafo no ena ohwe agriculture nsem so sem agriculture minister Yasrawada Roma bra bebu nkonta etere yensem afimpinu ene aduonu miensa na afimpinu ne aduonu na 2023-2024 eye crop season no bebu nkonta kire yense koko akuafo na na dodan kwa akufo ado anaso na ano se wato wo mo koko bag num ede bia ka ho pa na da ben na wo mo esika no ebeba eno ena mrahye bedwafo wo mo ewo mrahye bedwafie tenase ena owura brana champon course wo kobu nkonta ede akyerem na abusia ma ne ebo abeton eye Sompa TV Sompa kase ebo so akyeremu am Bosumi November ne de toso edu enso mrahye bedwafo etenase no owura brana champon ko adu a wo mo de bo ne se samren koko akuafo koko ni sika no enya maaye no enchiremu ode ma eye Ghana fo mrahye bedwafo se yentempetima Ghana fo nyina wo mo asonte ene se ba bi ade na duro no koko board fo eni kaped enti ebehia se wo mo ekopa bosiam enti emrahye bedwafo do wo mo sa shekrata se ama meka sayim wo mo ne eye ankrankra a wo mo ewo bank ahodo wo man Ghana wo mo aka bombro ni kan consortium any consultation enti enei wo mo kwa kwaji eye abrochire dollar sika no $800,000 ena wo mo ede kwa akoma koko board fo na wo mo ede akwa akoma koko akuafo esanse koko board fo wo mo eni kaprem Emra Finance Committee tenase ya oru akwakuko atin ade asemi etu emrahye bedwafo animo no ena ode atu edwase nyame ene ne kura anim do buno nsematiko koko badofo wa musika sam atete apansam se ko betem nanso wo ma ye de obetimi bia ama meka sa hwie be wo mo mfa nipa kura wadwom o koko badadwuma no mo no nipa be so pipi mie ne 2 million people de wo mo afa wo mo nanso wo mo ewo haw bebre oru akwakuko atia sem ode to eye emrahye bedwafo animo efa cocoa board loan aye kwakwaji edi ama wo mam eye $800,000 ne yakwakoto cocoa edi aba ne edi ama cocoa akuafo no eni a esi wo mrahye bedwam edi Sia yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛnsa ɛka ɛne a yɛde ɛbɛma wo na yɛgusu a yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛde ɛne ne ɛbɛma wo no ori a kwaku kwaten ɛkasa wie yɛapɛ ɛna mmarahyɛ badwani ogyina de ma amanfo a wɔn ɛwɔ Bolgatanka Central ori a Isaac Adongo ɛna ɔse nyame anim ni ɛnka ɛnsɛm fatakora sɛ nka yɛbɛgye atom nanso baabi ade na duro no sɛ yɛanwe nkɔɔkɔ akuafoɔ no ho a wɔahwɛ saa syndicated loan no ɛbɛha adwen papaapa ɛne nti Bolgatanka Central mmarahyɛ badwani Honorable Isaac Adongo say wɔfoa so sɛ saa loan no yɛnkɔgye ma koko bɔdfoɔ na mmom koko bɔdfoɔ mommɔ mani ɛnda hɔ yɛntie Honorable Isaac Adongo.
The Speaker, the referral was in respect of the terms of a receivables-backed trade finance facility between the Ghana Cocoa Board and a consortium of banks and financial institutions with the government of the Republic of Ghana as guarantor for an amount of up to $800 million United States dollars to finance the purchase of cocoa for the 2023-2024 crop season by the Ghana Cocoa Board, and request for waiver of stamp duty amounting to up to the Ghana cedi equivalent of $4 million United States dollars on the receivables-backed trade finance facility between Cocoa Board and the consortium of banks and financial institutions with the government of the Republic of Ghana as guarantor for an amount of the $800 million USD to finance the purchase of cocoa for the 2023-2024 crop season by the Ghana Cocoa Board. Now, Mr. Speaker, I'll just take the highlights of the report and request the Hansa Department to capture the entire content. But before I do so, again with your leave, Mr. Speaker, I'd like to make correction to the table under paragraph 5, the terms of the facility. That's on page 5, paragraph 5, page 5.
Any out a Bolgatanka Central Mrashe Bedwani Honorable Isaac Adongo Ewa Mrashe Bedwamuana Yadaso Mrashe Bedwamuwa Bolgatanka Central Mrashe Bedwani Kasawi Yape Ena Wamotonsa Edefre Aurakacha Suafo Agric Minister Honorable Brian Champon Ena Ombusa Honorable Brian Champon se Brane Bra na wana wohwe Aurakacha nsem so eba ne sen ena Cocoa Board for Koko ahodo e wo manga na nyinara mantimi amoho brase sei ye kwakwaji $800,000 se syndicated loan no se bo Ghana form de aba nyina ne se buidam na eda hono eka eda hono Cocoa Board for na etria eno achi yasanso aye akwan na akwan na yaye no ebe bro be se 5,000 kilometers e wo mamu eno ka ho bi na ma Cocoa Board for ye ho akere ya sei yes, stress, Monkoji loan, and Famayen no.
Cocoa farmers. And it reflects in the pricing that this year we pay cocoa farmers from $800 to, yes, from 800 Ghana cedis per bag to approve this facility. Honorable Minister, please address me. Mr. Speaker, it reflects in the pricing that we pay cocoa farmers this year. Mr. Speaker, yes, indeed, cocoa farmers, Cocoa Board was in crisis. The Cocoa Board was in crisis because Cocoa Board is paying for the life to be on by paying for breeder. Cocoa Board is paying for breeder. Mr. Speaker, Cocoa Board at the moment is constructing almost 5,000 kilometers of roads throughout the country. Mr. Speaker, this is a fact. I am not talking about completed roads. I am talking about ongoing roads, whether IPCs Mr. Speaker, I repeat, I am not talking about completed cocoa board rules. I am talking about ongoing cocoa board rules, whether IPCs have not been honored and therefore they have been stopped for what?
Hey, yo, I want to say about your home. Now, sir, $800 million syndicated loan. I want to call you. Honorable Brother Champion Kasawi Yape and a ranking member. At the Madon Kuma Wamra Sebejafie, Ewa Arokachemu, as soon as 4 South Mra Sebejani, Ankane Bono Tete, Mantam no so for Honorable Erikopoku, and I'll say, hi, Honorable Brother Champion, as I'm Ben Okekano. Well, Yanyun Tumusa, Equiafoninti.
To approve this facility in the supreme interest of the cocoa farmers we represent in this house. Mr. Speaker, I'm saying that I'm urging this house to approve this facility in the supreme interest of the farmers we are representing. Mr. Speaker, I am saying this because we are the representatives of the people. We own cocoa bond. It is for the people of Ghana. We have engaged some managers to manage this special precious asset for us. And for 6 continuous years, they've been incurring losses. Mr. Speaker, the figures are alarming. And with your kind permission, having resolved that this house is going to approve the facility in the interest of the farmers, you afford us ample opportunity to highlight all the critical issues so that this house will take immediate action to halt what is happening at Cocoa Board. Mr. Speaker, we handed over Cocoa Board.
Honorable Member, I don't think you just want me to give you all the time.
You're going to me for turning Mamu Masabia from Honti, your Trosso, our Sompa TV. And ne out ye, embrace baby new dinner the mamma for 1 hour as soon as 4 South. Honorable Erikopoku. Nina Edina Embrasabia form $800 million syndicated loan. Our Moji Ediama Cocoa Board Flour. Wam and a share your cocoa home ansem. Utie Kasieboyi, our Sompa TV. Ofa ewo Sompa 98.9 Kumasi 98.9 Sunyan 93.1 Kumasi and 90.7 ewo Enkransa yetwaka se ebono so ye babono mantam no ahinkro Sunyan na Child Development Center womo ewo AME Zion asoro no emum na no womo akwakoye AME Zion fear prefor adoye ama opening kwanchire for wano ena oda asona no Reverend Alfred Fogel ene AME Zion sunyane Afrancho district kwanchire for panyina no ena oda asona no e de afutuo ene kokobo akose ensorosoro hodo nyinara monsia de wo mo aye no na mode ohaw ni nyina to aban so a aban cake no enso eye omani nyina eso
ye nyina ye tie so
omo books to mu
afei sameka sika ya say anase yade ato books yade ama emofrana ekọ enim yie papa ekọ enim yie papa samitudi wa hanuma eka obeka se nti emofrano omo books tomu etada bi nso a omo ntare hyemu yetumi eboa ema omo ntare omo de hye ediko school no nso eno nso eboa omo ebi nso ene se yewo UC Mass teachers a eno nso ekire emofra no eye UC Mass said ye be ya emofra no omo calculation omo betumi ama aye fast nti eno nso eye dwumadi a yedi ewa ha na sa UC Mass no obia onim ne fapim ene ne fareba
oti ye Pastor Fogel ene ama wa mo de koche ye no de ebronika na furniture enkonwa ene niam esefata na ema teacher fo no ho ento wo mom wo mo je niam na ewie ye no maame Azantilo wono ena ogina eye asoro no ene suku ni nyina enemu ena okasa ye na okasa de chelpa edema eye mpanifo nyina se obedi hu ya na so osaso edi hu de pa se ade atimi aba beto wo mo ena so esanse na ye wo mo edadwene
Mother was school pa the class ready na PTA mpenyimfo na awofo ni nyina to paint na elisika edibe paint school omoban ama aboye ama ye paint school enu achi the classrooms no be juma a football park ye go break na nkwala no ball wo because akonya bi eni ho na bi omu ye nkonya edi maaye ya park no so dongo nsie every market ni nyina efo park we no so ya ko peg leader zongo youth ni aboye PTA boye and early childhood development so boye and ye grade park no pesia we park ewo Roman school ni frima park papa ewo krom ha no eye Zion park no
Madam Azentulo wano ena ojina school nyina anamu am waje saa achede yin kasiyebo yi efri Sompa TV na yade kasiyebo no eko ne nkokura bomu na ensemu a otiye bi enesem ene na Ghana mampanyini dada John Dramani Mahama ewo sunyan ena nka ye hwese na nadodan kwa kufu adonso ebeba na so otu ni chachawo ede ma osoafo hwe apomudin senso ama nei sunyane regional hospital no ya one foforo ama nei ye frɛ no teaching hospital the Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference Most Reverend Matthew Kwasi-Jamfi ede afutu akọ ede aba eye Ghana manyofo se article 71 se ye de mamwa monso masede no monfama eye Ghana form sanso ena emrahye bedwafie ene $800 million ye de amakoko bodfo se wo mo emfa nkose syndicated loan ama mrahye bedwafo abobo ho enem aha ena ye de kaseyebo no esie Sompa TV so ena kaseyebo yi ye de ebremom hye so saboafo a wo mo eboaye eye miso fruit drink de hia no se wo fridge papa ye de anka kwadu abrobe watermelon ene ne nkron ba ena ayem okokuma se obenya bi ato obosunya obenya bi ato konkransa obenya miso fruit drink ni bi atom 3AO capsules wasem mfanto wanim se koko ena haum ba bia fifiri ubi ya no titue no mu asabia buruka frampani ni mafifiri moto na moti honom ya na uja onanya na emu ayede bro ne kan constipation no eno so wadra na 3AO capsules oko moze pharmacy green life pharmacy a obenya bi atom Sompa akunafo achede no yeguso enenti se eka wakoma obetimi akokuma se asantimantem Sompa na wode wachede na akọ na nyame ya adom na eka wakoma so na wutie mi ewo tetebo no ahafo na obo original ene so oba sunyane night market alabe kwa na aborosa no so ho a achade bia se fata no betimi ede abam ebia na se bia buru owo de buru friend cooking oil no toothpaste mpaboa no nyame ani mu nya mpaboa dada asa ena sirpes ne dress ne can product ne can meet na dade no obetimi de bi aba mesrawo akama koma for 059 855 9802 059 855 9802 na woni yenche Sompa akunafo achede no hye no so nyankopon eya adomo a Sompa wakono e baso December bosumi ne da edi kan pe ene tie nyina yenye exercise na ye ho entumi entoyen na aboa ama atumi akoso enti ya na wahye no enso baso ewo Sompa sunyan ena ye Sompa wakonom ye bewie ewo Coronation Park and enti fa ho bedoyen on the 1st of December Health Fest on December 1st Medin Eddie Honorable Nana Poku PSA fa semche Samfo eye Dennis Pepra MCR above K eni nuanom ena osofo mame bossman ena boya ene yede Sompa kaseyebo efri Sompa TV so a ocheye ewo baby a wo bia ya mamu nyina happy weekends.
Sompa FM.